reset and run again. Okay, like that. Okay, that's cool. You can see the flower and the background always change, okay, when you run like that. Okay. Hello everyone, welcome back to Coding Scratch. Okay, in this video we go to continue our lesson 6 random number, and to complete the puzzle 7 challenge random number. Okay, for in this puzzle we have 5 activity and 1 free play here. So for the first activity we go to the random RGBs here. Okay, let's go. Okay, we go to instruction first, random RGB, and you have learned how to randomize things, so it's time to put our knowledge to use in this lesson. Okay, let's read to do this. Right now, all the color in this lesson are set using both RGB and randomize the colors here. So we can see it here. Okay, you can random the background, you can random this color. Okay, for the rainbow is the right color. So what you have to do is just random the background. Okay, so here and it's here for both. Okay, so this is RGB. What you have to do is you go to the RGB, and for the first, or you have to use a random number start from 0 to 255. And for the G color, also use a random number with the 0 and 55 number. Okay, same. A random number 0 and 255, like that. So for that, I just copy this. We have no need to write it again. Copy it and paste it here. Okay, paste it. After that, you click run. Okay, so the color, this one and this one will be random. Okay, each time we run the program. Okay, finish it. So we go to B, symmetry. Okay, what is symmetry here? Okay, do this. Okay, study. Let first we run here. Study how the red spots are drawn. Okay, in line 23 and 24. Note how the subtraction is used. Okay, so use this pattern again to create a second yellow spot. The yellow spot we have already had one here. What you have to do is draw one more. Okay, to give the butterfly better symmetry. Okay, so add another one. Okay, this one, I think this here. So what you have to note is this one. This one is the draw of the spot, the red spot here. So for yellow spot, you use the ellipse again with the 400 and subtract the spot 2. Okay, and after that, this will be the same location for y, and the size is also the same. And after that, you reset and run again. Okay, it will be symmetry. Okay, so what you have to do next is the challenge, as the third one here as challenge, and create a spot 3 variable, then add 2 more ellipse to the butterfly wing. So we add the spot. In order to add more spot, you have to use the var. Okay, spot again, spot 3. You set equal to the random number. The random number surround this one. You use only around 70 and 155. Okay, you want it the middle of the screen and of the butterfly wing. It's around here. Okay, and what's problem? Oh, I delete some here. Okay, so you just need to fill again what's color. Use the color of the what's color for this. Just add the green. Okay, just add green. And after that, you use a leaf again. with the around here, you have to specify the X position is around, that is spot 3, okay? And after that, it is should be for this one, you show the grid. So this one I used to 200, okay? And after that, I use the side the same, 20. This one also 20. Okay, that lets me run. Okay, it's here. If you want it a little bit big, you can change the size to 25. Okay, like that. Okay, and after that, you need the last one is ellipse equal to 400. Subtract the spot 3. And this one is 200, same 25 and 25. Okay, reset and run. Okay, that, so you complete it. Okay, finish it. So we go to see randomize two shape. Okay, what is a randomize two shape? How could you randomize it? Okay, we ready to do this. Notice the rank of variable width and lift width. Okay, how are they different? Okay, run the program repeatedly until you notice about something wrong. Run, run, and run. The problem is here. Okay, sometimes the lift width is less than width. Okay, which make the ellipse is too small. This is ellipse too big. Okay, we run it to see the ellipse is too small. Okay, like that. This is a problem. What you have to do is to edit a code that the width of the leaf is always exactly the ball width of the trunk, the tree trunk. Okay, this one. So in order to do that, you can see this. We have the three variable: height, width, and leaf width. The leaf width is should be the double of the width. So what you have to do is we do not use the random numbers here. We use the width multiplied by 2 like that. So every time the width change, the leaf width also change the ball of the width. Okay, reset and run. Okay, so it will be beautiful. Okay, not too small or too big. Okay, can see. Okay, it is finished. We go to the random line here. Okay, so make this and more fun. You have known random thing disposition, but don't forget about the stroke, color, stroke way. Have fun. Okay, in this you can use any random numbers here as you want. You want a random like stroke color, or you want a stroke way or stroke color or like that, something as you want. Okay, so for the first, I would like to change something to random is to use the random numbers is in the, I think should be from this. I use a random number start from around 50 to around 200. Okay, and then I copy it. Okay, sorry for this. The X position it should be, let me try, reset and run. Okay, this line, it will be draw like that. And after that, you can copy this, okay, to use it any way that you want. Okay, use for this, and use for this, for this, for this. For this is no rule, okay, so you can place it any way that you want. Reset and run. So it will be like that, okay. It will be random the size, okay, and the start position and the end position. If you change it here too, what happened? Okay, okay, sorry. Paste it here. Okay, and paste it here. And you wanna pass here, paste here. Okay, it's here. This one, to look what happened. Okay. Okay, let's run. Okay, that like that. Okay, you can use stroke way. Okay, stroke way with a different number is use a random number to start from around 2 until the 50. Okay, every number, so you can copy this and paste it here and paste it here. Okay, before draw the another line is we change the stroke line. Okay, so let's try. Wow, that's too big for 50. Okay, sometimes big, sometimes small. Okay, so like that. So that's all for this. You can play around with it. Okay, we go to the random arch. So we go for E. Okay, what is that? Okay, make the lesson more fun. You have known how to randomize the thing, position, angle. Okay, like that. So this is like the free play to any way that you wanna make it a random. Okay, so if you want to randomize the position of the arch, you can change it. Okay, so this one, the arch start at the here 200. This one is the center is here, it should be here, and 100 and 100 here, and start from width, this width and height, and this start from 0 to 90 is here. So if you want this degree is random, you can use the random number. Okay, a random number from 0 to 90. Okay, and the end you could set like random number 2, which says around like 180 until 270, like that. So this one will be drawn in different way. Okay, you can see. Okay, so another one you can any way that you want, and this one is we set it. I have the color, you can change it color too, and for this one you can change it from the choose a random number. This one should be 0 to 45. Okay, and this one should be a random number from 45 or 46 to around 90. Okay, reset and run. And can you see this one, this small one? Sometimes small, sometimes big, like that. Okay, and the width and the height you also can use a random number. It's up to you. Okay, so you can play around with this too. Finish it. We go to the last one is free play. For the free play, I have the thing to do with. Okay, and you can grade whatever you want, but for me I will make a flower, and every time I run the program the flower will be go to in different location. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, for the first is you can draw 5 circles. For the first one is I use with the fill color of this is I use the yellow color. That ellipse is go to 200, and this one is also 200. With the width and height I use only 75 or use only 50. Okay, okay, so we use around 50. So you run it, Okay, so you can see. And another color is we use the purple color. Use the purple for the another. You use the ellipse again with the at the position of X. You should use around 165, and the Y position is the same, is 200, and psi is should be around 75. Okay, let me show you. Okay, but problem is there will be overlap the yellow one. You cut the yellow one down here and run. Okay. For me, I use no stroke. Okay, for this flower, like that. Okay, but if you want stroke, you can use. Okay, it's up to you. Okay. So next is we use an ellipse again with 235, and after that 275 again. Okay, reset and run. Okay, we got it too. After that, we need two ellipse more. That ellipse should be around. This one is 200, and this one is should be 165 and 75 size here. Okay, reset and run. It's like that. Oh, so I delete the no stroke to make it easy for you. Okay, like that. And after that, we use another ellipse. And this ellipse should be 200 the same. This one it should be around 235. Okay, this one the size also the same. Reset and run. Okay, like that. But for the problem now is the flower is not changing. It's not a random location. Okay, every time we run it, it's same place. So in order to make this random every time you run, you can use the variable to help you. Okay, so now I create another variable. So I use this for x position. Okay, for x position is every time you run, you got a new random number. Okay, you use a random number. Random numbers here, and after that I use around 100 to 300. Okay, another variable I use the y sub like pental 1 equal to x position. I use x position subtract by 35 y pental 2 equal to x position plus 35, and another one is I use a y position to random the y position equal to x position that we got. Okay, and after that I use the pental 3 equal to the y position minus or subtract 35 and y pental 4 equal to y position minus by 35. Okay, so this all the variable that we need, and we have to change. We use this one, okay, to replace all here. So now let's replace for the first pental here. Copy. You copy this one. Okay. And after that, you go to the first ellipse here. Paste it. So first here. Okay. I use here pental 1. Okay, you can see. And this one is pental 2. And after that, this one is pental 3. And this one, no, sorry, this one 3, this one is 4. Okay, and after that, what you have to use is to use x position and y position. This one is you use the x position For the first one is, so it's here, this one it should be X position, okay, and this one is X position, and Y position also used here. Okay, you paste it here, and then paste it here. And how about this? This one we use, this one is X position, Y position is the same for the yellow ellipse. Okay, this one is pental 3 and this one is pental 4. So that's all. We reset and run. Okay, you can see. So that's all, and you can see all the flower is random on the screen. Okay, if you want to change it, you can make it around like 50, and this one also to make it around 350. Okay, the flower is go to this near the screen. Okay, like that. So another way, you can change its color every time you run. Okay, also possible. So what you have to do is use the background color to change the background first. You use the RGB color. Okay, for the first you use RGB, no random number, and after that use 0 and 25. So after that you just copy this for 3 times. 1, 2. Okay, and after that I just copy this again. Okay, this one, RGB colors here, and after that I paste it inside the field. Okay, this one also. So every time you run, the position of flower is random and the color is also the random. You can see. Okay. Oh, the problem is this background. Okay, sorry, this 255, not only 25. So this is problem. Sorry. Add more. 255. Like that. Reset and run again. Okay, like that. Okay, that's cool. You can see the flower and the background always change, okay, when you run like that. Okay. Okay, that's all for this lesson 6 about the random number. I hope you all guys understand about the random number. You can use it any way you want, like the X position, Y position, width and height, or the random number to apply to the color inside the RGB block. Okay, so don't forget everyone to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for support me to create more video for all of you, and see you again in the next video.